Hey guys, it's Mr. Wolf here, and I'm going to be going over. Uh, hey guys, it's Mr. Wolf here, and I'm going to be going over. Uh, hey guys, it's Mr. Wolf here, and I'm going to be going over inheritance with multiple traits. So thus far with Punnett squares, we've really been talking about traits where there's just two alleles for that trait. So what do I mean by that? Well, with pea color, well, you could either have yellow or you could have green, and there's just two options there. All right, but there's plenty other of traits where you have more than just two options. So for an example, blood type. You could have three different types of alleles for blood type. You could have a dominant allele that makes an A protein, another dominant allele that makes a B protein, or a recessive allele that doesn't make any protein at all. Okay, so what are these proteins, by the way? They're really just these kind of almost like tags or ID cards that cells have on their surface, so the body recognizes these cells and says, okay, like you're supposed to be here, or if it's a bacteria or a foreign invader, they'll see a different tag and they'll realize it's not supposed to be there, and they'll attack that foreign invader. Okay, so if you're type A blood, well, you're going to have this A protein on the surface of your red blood cells. And so for the alleles for that, you could be homozygous dominant. You could have both alleles that make the A protein, or you could be heterozygous and you just have that one allele that makes your A protein, and the other is just a recessive allele that doesn't make any protein at all, but you're still going to have that phenotype of having type A blood. And if you are type B blood, you're going to have the B protein on your red blood cell surface, and just like our type A blood, you could either be homozygous dominant or heterozygous. All right, if you are type AB blood, you could probably guess at this point you're going to have the phenotype of having both A and B proteins. And so in order to have this, you're going to have both dominant alleles. They're both going to be expressed, right? You fully express the A protein, you fully express the B protein as well, and you're going to be type AB blood. Now, if you are type O blood, you're going to have both recessive alleles, which just means that you're really not going to make any proteins or any tags at all, and so your cell just looks like this.